Probably hot.
This is, I mean, the whole side of the car is flat.
Yeah, it got flattened.
It's gonna suck. Because you can't get at it to actually hit it. And even if you stud pull it, it's not gonna be, I mean, we can only pull it out so much.
Yeah.
You know, that's
No,
gonna
we
be,
get that.
yeah, but it's gonna be a lot of,
I didn't say it was going to be easy.
well.
I didn't realize that. That whole quarter panel got scraped like
Yeah.
Yeah.
just behind the door, and then
Yeah,
you
it's
see it
flat.
flat right there.
That's what I was just
Didn't
talking about.
realize, yeah.
Yeah, it's
So
really
they must
flat.
have hit something on
Probably a garage.
big I-beam or
Yeah.
garage door. Or,
It'll fit.
Parking lot damage.
Oh, just working it closer and closer.
Yeah.
And we'll
Now
stitch
we
it.
can throw another couple of welds in there,
Alright.
but right here, we're going to have to work it a little bit.
Give it a little bang bang.
Just a little.
Alright.
It's off the car.
That would be Chuck's, right?
It's not going to fall off the car. It's got a lip.
that'll be fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
All right.
Weldy?
So,
Are you gonna crank a little and we'll weld?
we're going to tighten this up.
Cranking welding, cranking welding, cranking welding.
Okay.
Alright, well, only one circuit in the whole shop.
She really pulled that down.
It was like,
Yeah, we should shut that
yeah, turn that off.
Shut that off.
That might be why it's pulling off.
Where?
Is it for more thingies?
Oh, I didn't hide those in time.
Oh, look. There's a light bulb in here. It's green.
Okay, what he's doing is he's welding pins on, and then he's hitting the pins with a slide hammer, and he's pulling the panel out.
Grips a hold of those pins and with the weight just tries to slam and bend the metal out.
Or you can pull it, like if you're getting a shallow dent, like over here, you can pull it and start tapping it around with the hammer, and that can help bring it out too.
Yep.
Or you could yell at it. You're nasty! Isn't that nice?
Wow.
So that
Pretty
goes
crazy.
in and it
Yeah.
welds to the metal.
Exactly. He puts that in there and then he uses the
The thing
is
about
there a ground on there between the, or is it the machine?
The
grounds
ring is
to
the
it?
The
ground.
ring is the ground. Then this tightens up.
Red hot tries to stick the two together.
Wow. I watched that move. That was cool.
And
did.
spin.
It did move.
It did move.
It did
Not
move.
much, but it moved.
Well, that one moved.
Fuck, yeah, it did.
Wow. You don't have to worry about grinding them off.
It's getting there.
Yep, you're gonna have to do it a few more times.
Oh, yeah.
And when you get a, you know,
I think it needs
If
to
you
look
were to
like
pull it out-
porcupine.
and then you were done, then you would cut it off with the die grinder and then
Yeah.
finish it off
Well,
after that. But
you'll
these
also
things
like
are made for steel that's like a quarter of the thickness of what we're working with now, right?
no,
No,
most
it's the
cars
same.
are all the same.
Yeah, most
Really?
cars are the same gauge.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
I didn't know
Oh,
that.
it's got a little bubbly head.
Mushroom tip.
It looks like little pieces of life when you have a kid or something. You know, it's just, it's
Well, you know, we
well,
could-
it's a copper baby.
It's a copper spermie.
Copy, yeah, it's not blue or pink. terribly inappropriate, Andre.
How
Thank
come
you.
you've got CDs here?
That goes in, it heats up.
Well, because your music sucks.
Yep, exactly. Well, yep.
I love my music.
I like your music. Paul, who doesn't like your music.
Because I tried to bring an old car like this to those guys that do the dentless paint repair, and they're like, I'm not even gonna touch that. It's way too thick for me.
That's because they don't know what the fuck they're talking about.
Oh, it must be then, because that's.
Well, PDR also depends on if they have the knowledge how to do it, and there's a fulcrum point. It's like this, you can't do PDM with this because there's no place to put the fulcrum.
Right, yep.
You know, and it's kind of a pain in the tuchus.
Took us?
The tuchus!
They took us.
In the tupper! Oh, that moved a lot, yes.
Oh, Lord.
Daddy, it's so big. It's gonna come off.
There it went.
And I'm spent.
Oh, Lord.
Oh shit, that came right off.
That's quality shit right there, bud.
Fuck you then.
Try this again.
We didn't like you either. Don't care.
Damn.
So Glenn has been searching for body shops that are for sale.
Ooh. Locally.
Really? Mm-hmm. I think that's a good idea.
Well, oh, ooh,
Okay.
Oh, my
Scare
God.
yourself.
It went all the way through?
yeah, no, it.
Damn it. I should have got a photo
That was weird.
on that.
What's her face? Alicia asked me if I'd be interested in painting their Isetta, and I'm like, yeah, I got a
Oh,
roller.
Allison?
That's
Allison, I don't know. It's
Alicia's
other-
my daughter.
The other
She
one?
doesn't have an Izetta.
The other Izetta, the rusty one?
no.
He hasn't seen it. The answer, well, you need to see it.
Well, I asked her.
That's
how-
Patina Izzy.
Yeah, don't cheat. No.
No what?
Go ahead. Good job.
Okay, we're gonna have to grind that off because it's not sticking to the other welds. That's the problem. Where's the?
Sherman? Who's grinding?
I got it.